If you don't like unexpected toilet guests but still want a sparkling clean throne, then you need Brazos toilet cleaner. Imagine dealing with a 5-foot snake slithering out of your toilet. Sounds like a horror movie, right? Well, thanks to Ben Tedrick, a fearless outdoorsman, that nightmare was real. But don't worry, such incidents are rare. Now, what's not rare is the everyday grime and germs that love to lurk in your toilet. Enter Brazos toilet cleaner. This isn't your ordinary cleaner, it's your bathroom's best friend. Just a splash of Brazos and say goodbye to those stubborn stains and nasty germs. It's like having a superhero for your toilet, minus the cape. And it's so easy to use, even your kids could do it. But let's be real, we know they won't. So if you want a sparkling, clean, and snake-free toilet, trust Brazos toilet cleaner. Because no one needs a horror movie scene in their bathroom. Stay clean, stay safe. Get Brazos today.